what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you are here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the things that I have to bring to you this year. Sorry. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want you to know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. In today's video, we are doing an apartment tour. We went and toured the platform at Union Station Apartments. Honestly, I really like them. It's like in the city, and some of these units have really beautiful views. Beautiful if you like city buildings. Like, I personally think the city is really beautiful. It's like New York City is such a goal, but it's very expensive there. I will have the fees in the comments or the description box. Let's check out exactly where this place is located on the maps really quick. So, like always, this red pin is exactly where the apartments are located. It is right next to a Whole Foods market, and I believe there is a Sprouts not far from here either. You also have other places that are not far, like King Soopers, which is Kroger, or you have Target. You have a bunch of different options that are not too far, including Trader Joe's. This is my favorite restaurant, literally, of all time. In Colorado, at least. It is a steakhouse, and it is so good. Definitely recommend hitting it up if you've got time or if you've never been. There are a lot of different options as far as food goes. Like, if I zoom in, you guys will see that you will never lack in the food department if you live here, because you're by so many things. You're also close to Coors Field, and you're not far from Elitch Gardens or the aquarium or pretty much anything. You're pretty close to everything, and I think this is a really good spot, and I definitely recommend coming to check it out for yourself. We saw an urban, a 1-bedroom, and a 2-bedroom, and then a few amenities. So stick around for all of that. But the first bedroom that I'm going to be talking about today with you guys is the urban bedroom, which a lot of the times urbans just feel like a regular 1-bedroom apartment. Most of the time they just don't have a door, or like a regular door that opens and closes with like a lock on it. The first thing that you see on your left side when you walk in is the bathroom, and the bathroom has a pretty good sized vanity. You still have enough room to get ready, shave your face, put on your makeup, whatever you need to do. The cabinets are brown with, I think the countertops were white, but you guys can see what color they are. In this unit, in all of the units that I saw at least, you have a bathroom, or you obviously have a bathroom. You have a bathtub, and the bathtubs seem really short. Like, they seem really low to the ground. Like, I wouldn't take a bath in that. I'm already such a long person. I have really long limbs, so I struggle with baths. Like, I mean, I love taking them, but like, I need to be able to get most of my body under the water, and then that bathtub, there's no way that's happening. Right outside the bathroom, you have a coat closet that is pretty spacious, pretty nice. You can fit a good amount of things in there. Right around the corner, down the hallway just a tad, there is another coat closet, and this one is also pretty big. I feel like this one is a little bit deeper, but it's nice to have 2 closets because the closet in the bedroom is not all that. Right next to the second coat closet, you have your full-size washer and dryer, and all of the units come with full-size washers and dryers. Right after that, you have what I would consider the living area. I would have the back of my couch facing the kitchen, and I would have my living room set up facing that way. That way it's kind of separated still. You definitely have enough room for your entire living room setup, like the whole 9 yards, literally. The windows in this unit specifically are really pretty. It kind of looks like one window, but there are 3 like frames, but it's connected completely. But there's 3 windows for sure. You have your kitchen right across from that, and it's just straight across the wall, which I personally don't like for my kitchen. You guys know that I like having that like extra space, the island. It's still a pretty good kitchen. You have enough room for a table for sure. After that, you have your bedroom, which right here you will see the door that I'm talking about. It's a barn door, but you have this sliding door, and I actually really like the way it looks. I just feel like it looks different than, you know, the basic doors that we typically see in apartments
or even homes. The bedroom itself is not that big. You definitely cannot fit a king in there, at least how I felt. I feel like I would be like super tight with a king and like nightstands and a dresser, because you definitely don't have any other space to put a dresser. So I would say the biggest you could go is a queen, but it's still probably going to be pretty tight in there. The closet is the last thing. So one side of the closet is just super small. My clothes would not fit in this closet 100%. You guys know it. I know it. It's just not happening. Somebody's clothes can definitely fit there. And if you live alone, then it's fine, because you have 3 other closets in the house that you can use, or in the apartment that you can use. It's not like it's the end of the world. That like post is really big. I really like the apartment overall. All of the finishes are the same throughout all of the different units, so their layouts are just completely different. And like I said, the other ones are a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom, so it is a little bit different, and I definitely recommend sticking around to see and the amenities. But I really appreciate you guys coming to today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click the button down below, subscribe, and I'll see you on Saturday. I think I'm going to upload a vlog, and it might be a little bit of a mess because it's from different months, but we're gonna roll with it, because I honestly right now have nothing else to upload. I'll see you guys on Saturday for that video. Bye.
Another